Importance of pH in everyday life. Number 1. Plants and animals pH sensitive. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH. Narrow range of pH. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers pH of river water. pH of river water. It lowers pH of river water. Then the survival of aquatic life in such rivers become difficult. Second point, pH change cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate and it is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of sugars and food particles remaining in the mouth. This leads to the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating food using toothpastes, which are generally basic. Neutralizes the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. Now the third point, pH in our digestive system. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. These antacids neutralizes the excess acid in the stomach. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for this purpose. Now let us know why a person suffering from acidity take antacid tablet with an activity. Take dilute HCl in a beaker. Add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator. You notice the color of the solution is red. Now mix antacid tablet powder to the solution in the beaker. Now you observe the red color vanishes and you observe a colorless solution. In the above activity, you observe that red color disappears on adding antacid tablet powder because HCl is completely reacted with antacid tablet powder. Antacid the effect of acid nullified by and base. If we use milk of magnesia to neutralize acid HCl, then the chemical equation will be 2HCl plus magnesium hydroxide gives rise to magnesium chloride plus 2H2O. Like this, acid nullified by a base. Now fourth point, pH of the soil. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. Let us know how to check pH of the soil. Collect the soil samples. Collect the soil samples from various places. Put about 2 grams of soil in a test tube. Put about 2 grams of soil in a test tube. Add 5 ml of water to it. Shake the contents of the test tube. Filter the contents and collect the filtrate in a test tube. Check the pH of this filtrate with the help of universal indicator paper. If the soil is basic nature, then use acidic fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate, potassium chloride, etc. If the soil has acidic nature, then use basic fertilizers such as quicklime. Now the last point, self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee stings leaves an acid, formic acid, which causes pain and irritation. Use a mild base like baking soda. On the stung area gives relief. Stinging hair of leaves of nettle plant. Inject formic acid or methanoic acid causing burning pain. A traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of duck plant, which often grows besides the nettle plant in wild. Thank you.